all parties, Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the ongoing arbitrary arrests and widespread cordon and search operations. They are being conducted by Indian troops across Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, describing them as deliberate attempts to silence the voice of freedom. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC, in a statement issued in Srinagar, say the arbitrary detentions are part of a broader campaign which are aimed at terrorizing freedom-loving Kashmiris. They noted that draconian laws such as the Public Safety Act (PSA) and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act (UAPA), they are routinely being invoked to justify the detention of political activists, journalists, human rights defenders, and even ordinary citizens, often on fabricated charges. The APHC highlighted that such politically motivated arrests are a clear manifestation of the Modi's regime's frustration in its attempt to subdue the people of IIOJK. Leaders stressed that these repressive measures they are intended to stifle dissent and prevent Kashmiris from pursuing their legitimate struggle of self-determination. The statement emphasized that Indian authorities they must be held accountable for the sustained crackdown, arbitrary arrest, and use of repressive laws, which violate fundamental human rights and democratic norms in IIOJK. APHC reiterated its call for its immediate release of all political detainees and for the protection of civil liberties across the occupied territory.